Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah Shilair, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got these gorgeous curls. So if you want to see that, stay tuned.
Real bitch, pretty face with the light on, looking for a vibe, so she came to get a night on. Not these other hoes, with a backwood you could buy one. They gon' say she rude, little bitty, just an icon. Real bitch, pretty face with the light on, looking for a vibe, so she came to get a night on. Not these other hoes.
Hey y'all, okay, so today I'm working with Curlsqueen, who sent me their water Kinky Coily clip-in extensions, and we love free gifts included with the hair. So this one came with a cute mesh bag, a detangler brush, some extra clip-ins, and then the super cute reversible satin bonnet. Now let's get into this hair. The texture is 4A, 4B, and it's in 20 inches. This is what it looks like fresh out the pack. But let's wash and condition it so we can see its true texture and length. All right, so first impressions washing this hair. Okay, so as you can see, I am just trying to get it fully saturated. I'm using warm water and I am washing it without like clipping the top off. So first off, this hair is super thick and super dense. It reminds me of my hair. So my hair texture is 4A, 4B as well. And when I'm in the shower, it takes me a minute to like fully soak it. And same thing happened with this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I'm just gonna say this hair is really soft. It is really thick, but it's super easy to work with. I did not have an issue washing the hair, and as I was washing it as well, I noticed that not really any shedding came out. And that was something that I was looking for, because since this hair is so tightly coiled, I expected there to be a lot of shedding, and I was pleasantly surprised that there wasn't. So I'm rinsing out the hair, and I just wanted to show y'all what it's looking like fully saturated. The curls are so pretty and they remind me so much of my own. I'm super excited to get this installed and see how well it blends in with my hair. I'm just taking any old conditioner that I have. I'm using this Tresemme, and I definitely had to fully saturate this hair with conditioner, okay, to get it nice and detangled. You're gonna see in a minute, I'm going to put even more conditioner and add water as well to get that good slip. Literally same exact process as if I was washing, or rather, my bad, conditioning my own natural hair. Same thing. Like, I need a ton of conditioner and I need a bunch of water to create that slip. So I'm doing the same thing here. This is what it looks like with the conditioner in it. Very pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my detangling brush and detangle the hair. Now, I do want to say it looks like I'm struggling a little bit with detangling it, but in reality, I'm not. So only because I am not washing these individually and I chose to keep it all coiled up. Like, this is, I think it's like 8 or 10 clip-ins all together. So it's just it being this thick that is making it look difficult, but it really wasn't. It was sliding through like butter, which I'm super appreciative of and surprised by, again, with regard to the tightness of the texture. So after washing it, this is it soaking wet, literally dripping on my floor. That's the length. This is the texture. Oh my gosh, it looks so much like my natural hair. Like, I'm so excited to install this in my head, y'all. And this is about 80% dry. This is what it's looking like, and we're ready to get it installed. So this is actually the next day. I would say it's about 90% dry, even though I left it out. So like I said, this hair is super duper thick. When I say if you have 4A, 4B, 4C hair, this hair mimics it exactly. And I'm literally just going to be going through and clipping them in. I did break down my hair and just left a little bit of leave out. I find that's the best way to do clip-ins without like ripping out your hair. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me clip in this beautiful hair and listen to a bit of music, and I'll check back in when I need to. Oh, real quick, hold on. So after I'm done clipping this in, this is just 2 clip-ins. Look how thick this hair is, y'all. Like I'm already feeling myself. Diana Ross, hello. Alright, so now that the hair is fully installed and I'm looking like Diana Ross herself, okay, we're gonna go ahead and start the styling process. So first I start off by taking a section and I'm just going ahead and saturating it down with water. That is just plain old water in that water bottle. I didn't add anything extra to it. And I'm just going to go ahead and rake that through the hair, get it all incorporated. And then I'm using this leave-in spray. I wanted to use a leave-in spray as opposed to like a leave-in conditioner because I know I'm gonna be using gel with this hair and that's already heavy enough. Basically, my strategy for styling this hair is to style it the exact same way that I would style my natural hair, which is usually just a very light leave-in conditioner, like a spray or a foam, and then some extreme line gel. Sometimes I don't even do the leave-in, I just do the extreme line gel. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this hair, and my method again is the same way I would do with my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth that down the shaft of the hair, making sure it's fully saturated in gel, and then I'll go through and pull apart the hair where it naturally wants to separate. And what is the name for that? It's not finger coil, although I am finger coiling it at the end, but there's a name for it and I'm completely blanking, but this is a close-up on what I'm doing. So, shingling, there we go. So I'm just shingling the hair where it naturally wants to separate and then kind of doing a little finger coil at the end where needed. I don't do it on every single piece, but I was doing it on most pieces. And I'm literally gonna sit here and go throughout the entire, or my entire head, and finger coil this hair. And I'm really like my hair, because it's so many, like I have 4A, 4B, but I also have a little bit of 4C in my hair as well. So my hair doesn't always, what's the word, like meld together as well as this one is, because there's like always some wonky pieces that are a little bit more tightly coiled than the rest. But this one, because it's all just 4A and 4B, it is nicely shingling together. I'm not seeing any frizz. Like literally it's turning out to be the perfect wash and go type hairstyle. Look at the texture. If this doesn't look exactly like my friggin' hair, oh my gosh, like I'm so pleasantly surprised by this hair. I literally wish that I had these hair extensions when I was going through my awkward phase, when I just became a natural and my hair was super duper short. These would have came in handy, because back then I would do clip-in extensions and they just would not match the natural hair texture of my hair and it would look silly. But this, like y'all gonna see at the end, you cannot even tell the difference. I've never had hair extensions be this spot on with my 4A 4B hair. And yeah, I'm literally just astounded. So again, I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music while I go through and style this hair. So that is one side down, one more side to go. This is what the difference looks like in length and texture. And boom, here we are. Look how pretty this hair looks, y'all. Oh my gosh. This hair is so pretty. And like I said, I'm just so astounded with how similar this is to my own natural hair. And now for the real show, okay? Now I'm about to style my hair, blend in my leave-in, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean when I say that this hair is literally spot on for my hair texture, y'all, okay? So my hair was blow dried because that's how I did my braid down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my leave-in and saturate that down with water. It's gonna take just a few minutes to revert back to curly, but that's okay. So same thing that I did with the extensions. I'm gonna saturate it with water, put in the spray leave-in, detangle it, And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just trying to work that water in. My hair can be a bit low porosity, which means it takes a minute for the water to soak in. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the gel, rake that through my leave-in. And then, like I said, the same exact thing. I'm gonna go ahead and shingle and finger coil my hair to match the extension hair. And I just want y'all to see the magic of how good this hair blends with my hair, y'all. Just watch.
Suppression. The use of marijuana.
Look at this, y'all. Look, where's my hair and where's the extension? Where's my hair? Where's the extension? Where? Y'all can't tell me. Look how perfectly this matches my hair texture. Oh my gosh, I'm still gagged. I'm still gagged over it, y'all. Like, this is so bomb, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my little baby hairs, you know, make it do what it do. I'm using the edge booster to lay those baby hairs down. And then once I do that, I am going to pull out my handy dandy blow dryer with the diffuser attachment, and I'm just gonna go all over the hair and dry it, because like I said earlier in this video, this hair is thick, okay? Thicker than some peanut butter. For real, and there was absolutely no way that I was gonna be walking around with this thick hair soaking wet. There was just no way. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry the hair, and I'd say this took me about, it really didn't take too long. It took me like 30 minutes, 35 minutes to fully dry the hair. And then I'm gonna be back so y'all can, well, I'm gonna let y'all watch it, and then I'm gonna give my final comments. All right, babes, and this is the hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so gagged. Y'all cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Look at how perfectly this hair matches. If you have 4A, 4B, these are definitely the extensions to grab. If you've been looking for some good extensions, the hair is super soft. There has been little to no shedding, and y'all, like, I cannot beat this texture match. I really can't. So yeah, I'm feeling myself, and thank you so much, Curlsqueen, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.